Do you want to learn English? Slowly,
with simple words and easy conversations.
welcome to English Talkies. I'm Emily.
And I'm Raphael.
Let's learn English together.
Slow English. Simple English.
Hello. Welcome to English Talkies.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone.
Today we talk about Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is a happy time.
Rafa, do you like Christmas?
Yes, I like Christmas a lot.
Great. How do you feel at Christmas?
I feel calm. I feel happy.
Me too. Christmas feels warm.
Warm and cozy, like a blanket.
Today we use very simple English.
Yes, simple words, short sentences.
Rafa, what is Christmas?
Christmas is a holiday. People celebrate.
People spend time with family.
Yes, family and friends together.
Many people decorate their homes.
They use lights. They use colors.
The colors are often red and green.
Yes, red, green, and white, too.
Now, quick question. Red or green?
Green. I like green.
I like red. Red is bright.
Good. Two choices. Red or green.
Rafa, do you have a Christmas tree?
Yes, I have a Christmas tree.
Is it big or small?
It is small. It is cute.
Cute is a good word.
Yes, cute means nice and small.
Do you put lights on the tree?
Yes, I put lights on it.
Are the lights white or yellow?
They are yellow, soft yellow.
I like white lights, very clean.
Both are nice, white or yellow.
Do you put a star on top?
Yes, a star on top of the tree.
I put a small star too.
Great. Star, lights, and ornaments.
Ornaments are little decorations.
Yes, little bowls, little bells.
Bells make a small sound.
Ding, ding, like that.
Nice. Rafa, do you decorate your door?
Yes, I put a wreath on the door.
A wreath is a round decoration.
Yes, round like a circle.
Circle. Good, simple word.
Yes, circle, round, same idea.
Now, let's practice tree.
Tree.
Lights.
Lights.
Star.
Star.
Gift.
Gift.
Great job.
Yes, very good.
Rafa, do you give gifts at Christmas?
Yes, I give gifts to my family.
Do you give gifts to friends too?
Sometimes. Small gifts. Simple gifts.
Like what? Give one example.
A small candle or a small mug.
A mug is for coffee or tea.
Yes, coffee, tea, or hot chocolate.
I love hot chocolate in winter.
Me too. Hot and sweet.
Question for listeners: tea or hot chocolate?
I choose tea today.
I choose hot chocolate today.
Good choices. Two simple choices.
Rafa, do you write a Christmas card?
Yes, I write a short message.
What message do you write?
I write Merry Christmas.
Let's say it together. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Great.
Another message is Happy Holidays.
Yes, Happy Holidays is also common.
Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays.
Nice. Very clear.
Rafa, do you cook at Christmas?
Yes, I cook simple food.
What food do you cook?
I cook chicken, rice, and salad.
Salad is healthy. Good.
Yes, healthy and fresh.
I bake cookies. Simple cookies.
Cookies are perfect for Christmas.
Chocolate cookies or ginger cookies?
Ginger cookies for me.
Chocolate cookies for me.
Great. Two easy choices again.
Rafa, do you listen to Christmas music?
Yes, soft music at night.
Music makes the home feel warm.
Yes, warm and peaceful.
Rafa, do you go out on Christmas?
No, I stay home. I relax.
I also like staying home.
Home is quiet. Home is safe.
Do you watch a movie?
Yes, a family movie.
I watch a funny movie. I laugh.
Laughing is good. It feels light.
Now a tiny practice. I like Christmas.
I like Christmas.
I like my family.
I like my family.
I like gifts.
I like gifts.
Great. Simple and clear.
Yes, this is good A.O. English.
Rafa, do you have snow?
No snow in my city. It is not very cold.
In my city, sometimes there is snow.
Snow is white. Snow is cold.
Yes, white snow. Very pretty.
When it is cold, we drink hot drinks.
Hot tea. Hot chocolate. Hot coffee.
Yes, hot drinks are cozy.
Rafa, do you see Santa?
I see Santa in stores and on TV.
Santa wears red clothes.
Yes, red hat, white beard.
Beard means hair on the face.
Yes, Santa has a big beard.
Santa says, ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Kids feel excited at Christmas.
Yes, they wait for gifts.
Now, listeners, repeat. Gift.
Gift,
Repeat. Tree.
tree,
Repeat. Lights.
lights,
Repeat. Star.
star.
Amazing. Good pronunciation.
Yes, slow English helps a lot.
Rafa, let's do yes or no questions.
Great. Yes or no. Very easy.
Do you like Christmas? Yes or no.
Yes, I like Christmas.
Do you have a tree? Yes or no.
Yes, I have a tree.
Do you put lights? Yes or no.
Yes, I put lights.
Do you eat cookies? Yes or no.
Yes, sometimes I eat cookies.
Do you dance? Yes or no.
No, I do not dance.
That is okay. No problem.
Yes, Christmas can be quiet.
Now, short role play. I knock on your door.
Okay, I open the door.
Knock, knock. Hello, Rafa.
Hello, Emily. Come in.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Emily.
I have a small gift for you.
Oh, thank you. You are very kind.
You are welcome. This is a card.
A card. I love cards.
On the card, it says, Merry Christmas.
Beautiful. Thank you, Emily.
Now we drink something hot.
Yes, tea or hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, please.
Okay, one hot chocolate for Emily.
Thank you. It smells good.
Yes, chocolate smells sweet.
We sit near the tree.
Yes, we sit and relax.
Now our Christmas episode is ending.
Yes, thank you for listening.
You did a great job today.
Yes,
You learned simple Christmas words.
Let's say the words one more time.
Tree,
Tree,
Repeat. Lights.
lights,
gift,
gift.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Great. Very good.
We wish you a happy Christmas.
We wish you a calm day and a warm home.
Keep listening. Keep practicing.
You can learn English step by step.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.